I am going to show you exactly what a $2,000 AI agent looks like. Not conceptually, not theoretically, the actual system, the actual tools, the actual logic behind it. And by the end of this video, you will know how to build it yourself and how to sell it to a client for $2,000 or more. Let us get into it. First, let me tell you the problem this agent solves, because every great agent starts with a real painful problem. Here is one that almost every coach and consultant has. They run ads, they post content, they get leads coming in through their website or Instagram or LinkedIn, and then nothing happens fast enough. The lead fills out a form. The coach sees it 3 hours later, sends a manual email, waits, follows up again 2 days later. By that point, the lead has already booked a call with someone else. Studies show that if you do not respond to a new lead within 5 minutes, your chances of converting them drop by over 80%. 80%. Most coaches are responding in hours, some in days. That is not a marketing problem, that is a follow-up problem. And that is exactly what this agent fixes. Here is what the agent does from start to finish. A new lead fills out a form on the coach's website. The agent picks that up instantly. It pulls the lead's name, their goal, their biggest challenge, whatever they filled in, and passes all of that to Claude. Claude reads it, understands the context, and writes a personalized follow-up email that sounds like the coach wrote it themselves. Not a template, not a generic reply, a real, specific, human-sounding message based on exactly what that person said in the form. That email goes out within 60 seconds of the form being submitted. If the lead does not reply within 24 hours, the agent sends a second follow-up automatically. If they click a link or reply, the agent notifies the coach on WhatsApp instantly so they can jump in and close the conversation personally. The coach does not touch anything until the lead is already warm. That is the system. Now let me show you how it is built. 2 tools. That is it. Claude and Gumloop. Claude is the brain. It is what makes the messages sound human. You give it the lead's information and a simple prompt that captures the coach's tone and voice. Claude does the rest. Gumloop is the body. It is the visual workflow builder that connects everything together. The form, Claude, the email, the WhatsApp notification, the follow-up sequence. In Gumloop, you are not writing code. You are connecting blocks visually. Each block is one step in the process. Drag, connect, test, done. The entire build takes 3 to 4 hours if you are doing it for the first time. Once you have built it once, the second client takes half that time. Here is what makes this worth $2,000. Go back to the math we talked about in the last video. A coach with even 10 new leads per month. If this system converts just 2 or 3 more of those leads into clients, and each client pays them $2,000, that agent just made them $4,000 to $6,000 in its first month alone. You charged $2,000 to build it. They made $4,000 to $6,000 because of it. That is the conversation you have before you send the invoice. Not, here is what I built, but here is what this is worth to your business every single month. When they see that math, $2,000 does not feel like a cost. It feels like the smartest investment they made all year. Here is how to land your first client for this. You do not need a website. You do not need a portfolio. You do not need a case study. You need a demo. Build this agent yourself first. Use a fake lead form, trigger it. Show the email that comes out. Show the WhatsApp notification. Record the whole thing in a 2-minute screen recording. That recording is your sales tool. Send it to 5 coaches or consultants in your network with one message. Tell them you built a system that responds to every new lead within 60 seconds with a personalized message. Tell them you want to set it up for 1 business this month at a reduced rate to document the results. 5 messages. 1 yes, That is your first $2,000. Then you have a real case study, and the next client pays full rate. This is what I mean when I say AI agent development is the most valuable skill of 2026. You are not selling your time. You are selling a system that makes money while the client sleeps. And once you learn to build one agent, you can build 10 different ones for 10 different industries, each one solving a specific painful problem, each one worth a specific premium price. The skill scales, the income scales with it. Start with this one. Build it this week. Send those 5 messages. See what comes back. Last video we talked about charging premium prices. This video showed you exactly what to charge premium prices for. Subscribe.